Good morning, students. Welcome back to your history class. Children, today we will continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 5, Fundamental Rights Part 2. Children, in the previous class we have already discussed right to freedom of religion and cultural and educational right. Now let's see further some more rights which are given in the constitution to the citizen of our country. Now here, right to constitutional remedies. Children, right to constitutional remedies is also one of the right given to the citizen in case of encroachment of fundamental rights. This means the Constitution itself has provided for legal remedies in case people rights get violated. Children, if somebody is trying to interfere or ignore someone's right, so here it becomes a constitutional duty of the courts to protect the rights of the particular citizen or the people of the country. So here, children, nobody can interfere or ignore someone's right. Sometimes the rights that are guaranteed to us by the Constitution may get encroached upon and we are not able to exercise our rights. This is called an infringement of our right. For example, children, if as you know that we got the right to freedom of religion and we all are free to follow and to practice a religion of our choice. If somebody is forcing you to follow a particular religion against your wish, so it will be called as what? Infringements of our rights. So at that time, children, the court considers our complaint when we approach to the court, investigates, and in case it is convinced that rights have indeed been infringed upon and injustice has been done to the particular individual, the court gives an appropriate verdict, or you can say judgment. Okay, so here, children, anybody cannot interfere or ignore your rights. The rights which are given to the citizens needs to be respected by the others. Now here, children, some examples are given of infringement of rights, like arresting an individual without reason. Children, even police cannot arrest an individual without reason. Children, if police used to arrest a person, before that a person can ask for the arrest warrant where they have to show the reason why are they arresting him or her. Second example, preventing a person from leaving a village or a town without giving a valid reason. Like for example, children, if a person wants to leave a village or a town, we have freedom of movement also, and we have freedom to reside anywhere in our country. You want to leave a particular village or town, but the people are not allowing you to leave the place without giving any reason, this is also called infringement of rights. Means they are interfering in your rights. then refusing food, water, or medicine to jail inmates. Children, there used to be prisoners in the jail, so there also uh, they need to be provided with food, water, and medicine. If the authorities do not give them food, water, and medicine, then this is also called as what? Infringement of rights of the individuals. Now, here, children, will see writs as constitutional remedies. Writs mean, children, formal, legal, written documents, okay, which is issued by the court. First one is habeas corpus, then mandamus, quo warranto, prohibition, and certiorari. Now, the first one we'll see, children, what is habeas corpus? That is protection from unlawful arrest and detention. As I told you, children, even police cannot arrest you without showing you arrest warrant. They cannot simply put you into jail without giving you any valid reason. The next is mandamus. Mandamus is, children, the order of the court, that is the Supreme Court or the High Court, commanding the government to perform an action that it is duty to perform in public interest. Children, as we have elected the various representatives and they have formed the government, so we have elected them to work for the welfare of the people. So here Supreme Court and High Court can give order to the government that they have to perform the action in public interest, which is good for the public, which is means they have to work for the welfare of the people. Okay, in favor of public, government has to work. Next one is prohibition. To prevent a subordinate court from exceeding its jurisdictions. Here, children, High Court and Supreme Court can prevent a subordinate lower courts from exceeding its jurisdictions, its powers. Next is quo warranto. To restrain a person from acting in an office to which he is not entitled. Here, children, they can stop a person from acting in an office to which he is not entitled. Means if the person did not get the authority in a particular office, the person cannot perform his duty in that particular office for which he is not entitled. Then certiorari. To order the removal of a lawsuit from a subordinate court to a superior court. Now here, children, certiorari means to order the removal of a lawsuit. Suit means case, children. Okay, to order the removal of a lawsuit means case from a subordinate court. Subordinate court means, children, a lower court to a superior court. Okay, means if you are not satisfied with the judgment of a lower court, you can take it to the higher courts. Here, children, some of the reactions of the government officials are given. You have to tell whether it's right or wrong. An officer tells a woman who presents all the document for getting the benefits of a scheme for destitutes, you don't look like a destitute, and refuses her the benefits of the scheme. Now here, children, you can see the women's rights has been infringed. Now why? Because here, children, we just cannot decide by the look of the person, okay, whether she is belonging to a particular community or a particular society or not. Then where should she go to get redressal? Because the fundamental rights are thus protected by the court, citizens are able to exercise their right, and she can approach to the court. Children, people can fulfill their roles as alert, responsible, and active citizens. Children, if your rights are violated or somebody is interfering in your rights, so being an alert and responsible, active citizens, you have to fulfill your duties. While considering fundamental rights, we also need to remember our duties. Children, as Constitution has given us various rights, along with that, we need to follow certain duties. So, as we feel that our fundamental rights need to be protected, along with that, we should fulfill our duties. Okay, so I hope you understood the lesson, children. Thank you.